sit here?
Come on, quick.
As we take a ride down the rails, you are traveling on a quarter-scale, exact replica of the 1893 Huntington train. As you look around the farm, you will see, as is the Dell'Osso family farm tradition, all the many changes we made last year for our guests' enjoyment.
There's the corn maze right out there.
To your left, you will see our new Cider Hill, an area where adults can taste hard cider, drink craft beer and wine. We are also serving pizzas on Cider Hill. We have added new play areas where children can play cornhole and other fun outdoor games. The lake that surrounds Cider Hill was created with reclaimed and non-potable water to irrigate the lawns towards the corn maze. We planted these lawns with a special variety of grass that uses only 20% of the water of regular grass. All of the open grass areas created several years ago have been used, including the festival area behind Snow Mountain, for a variety of events at Dell'Osso Farm.
Oh, into the tunnel.
As we come out of the tunnel, look to your right. You can see our 2-acre festival grounds lined with redwood trees, olive trees, vineyard trellises for grapes, and grass area. The redwood trees were planted for a natural windbreak for this area. You will see the beginnings of what will become a beautiful landscape to our future plans for this farm. The small lake to the far right of the festival grounds, as well as the larger lake you just rode by, were created with reclaimed and non-potable water and will irrigate the lawns and landscaping. We are planning an outdoor stage in front of the silos and adjacent to our smaller lake in the future. Remember to check our website at www.dellossofamilyfarm.com for more information.
We're in back of the corn maze now.
We planted more than 1,000 trees at the farm in 2015. And as we travel down the tracks, on the left you will see signs that designate each fruit, nut, or citrus tree that we have planted along the rail. These trees are planted in a specific order too. As we make our way around, we are taking a trip through the crops of the central San Joaquin Valley, starting with apricots, peaches, plums, and almonds, all the way down to the lemons and mandarins of Bakersfield. The current drought conditions in California have been a consideration in all of our plans, and in 2015, we decided to fallow, or not to plant, 50 acres of farmland to save the water for the 7 acres of Bermuda grass. The farm depends on the shared resource of water along with the other farms in the area, and we think it is important to instill the value of good planning and thoughtful stewardship of our resources for the future generations of our family, and for your families to enjoy too. We have been good stewards using conservation, moderation, and preservation. We want our farm to be a tradition, not just for you and your children, but your children's children as well. As these trees grow big and tall, it will change the landscape and bring so much more to the beauty of this land. Just look at the changes and how the trees have grown in the last few years. So some very historic buildings from the mining town of Jackson, California. They say spirits come out at night. To your right is a panoramic view of Mount Diablo and the West Hills. Perhaps you've been lucky enough to catch a sunset while on our farm. If not, you might have to come again, as our sunsets and the colors in the sky are breathtaking. If you look to the fields on your right, you will see the cherries that we are growing for our new U-Pick patch.
You wanna go?
What?
Oh.
That guy's alive and he's
Scary.
And that guy is fake and there's a skeleton on the other.
Look, there's heads on the sticks.
That's a head
Oh. This is scary.
Ready? This is Dad. Ready? Look, the guy came out of
Uh-oh. You better go. He's coming after us. You better go. It's okay, Parker.
Can we get out now?
All right, close your eyes. You're out now, Parker. Was it too scary? Come on, you want some water? Okay, come on, get in there. All right, we gotta walk. Here, you keep going. Erasing them. Erasing them. Ah! We're almost there. No.
Okay, why don't you roll back? Okay. Daddy. Hakaro, you got it. Go. Ah, look at Ethan. What's wrong?
Did you fall?
Yeah, he fall. It's okay.
Go faster, 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 Parker. You okay? You want to see Mommy and Daddy race? We're gonna get crushed. We're gonna get crushed. Oh.
Good job.
Balance beam. Ethan, you made it! Yeah! Okay, ready, set, go. Oh. He's beating me. The tunnel's stuck. Okay, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Cheese.
Cheese. Come fast, fast. Sorry. Come fast.
Uh-oh. What are these big pipes? All right, you need a map?
Look, number
You got
one.
number one and number two.
Hey, let's do one at a time. Let's go to number one first.
Number
Hey.
one. Make sure it has this map. I can all of it.
Yeah.
That's only so easy.
So easy.
Because there's not two
You
ways
just
to
came in
run.
the
We're gonna
entrance.
go there. There's too many corn stalks. Which way should we go? Hey, let's look here.
Over to that tower thing over here.
Yeah, we can use this.
You can use this to see how to go.
And it's on top of either way works, Ethan. You see, either way works. See, that path goes around. Yeah, either way. Let's see. So we're right there. We should go.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go to that one. Oh, look. Yeah, path.
There's another tower over there.
Yeah. Come on.
I guess that's the help if you get lost. We're gonna go down this way.
There, I think is the exit.
That's the exit? It was that easy?
No, I think that, yeah, I think someone just ripped it off. Maybe the exit is, maybe you're supposed to put yourself lost and then go from there. You're heading the wrong way. Wait. I think these white things mean yeah, the white things mean yeah, we're correct. That way was wrong. There, I can see it. I can see.
That's not the right way.
The exit's actually back over by the entrance. Where should we be? So, where are we, Daddy?
Where are we?
I think we're right.
We
This
just
is
got off the tower, right?
Yes, and then we went through a shortcut through the corn. And then we ended up into a path. Oh, look, this is Clue. You have to head to the Clue sign. Yeah, look, there's a
I don't
clue.
think this is a real path, though. Someone knocked the corn down.
Let me see.
Think it's this way?
There, look here, this way. The beam tower. Is this the right even map? Or is this not track 2? Not my map. Wow, it looks like we're... Wait, I think it's the path. That path must lead to that one. No, but we don't want to head to beam towers. We want to head to the exit. Because that's not the exit over there. We need to go over there. Right, Daddy, can we go over there by the sign, the brown sign? That's where the exit is.
Yeah. That's the way out, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's tricky to get there. We have to head over there. Corn maze is huge. Now, right up. Oh, I get it. The beam tower is right here. See, here's the beam tower. We want to head over here all the way. So right now we're heading down from the beam tower. And wait, this is the exit. Look. Look, this is the exit right on the sides here. And this is the entrance. We must have headed this way to the beam. And then we sort of have so. Oh, look, there's corn in there. Where did your corn go? I don't know, I just tossed it in the corn.
Okay, bring us, get out of
Oh,
here.
there it is.
This is not the right way.
Oh, look, corn maze exit, number 1. We found it.
We found it. but we exit number 2. We started on number 1 and we exit number 2. Go in the front where the engine is.
Back way.
There's no driver's seat in here. There's a top up here. Look, they're using real lights. I used to slide it. Oh, my ground.
What do you do? Okay. Oh, you put your duck there and then pump.
Then you pump the water. Yes,
All right.
you start from there. Put the duck in there เอาเป็ดใส่ก่อนสิลูกเอาเป็ดใส่รางเป็ดใส่ราง ไปเลยก็แล้ว โอ้โหโฮแฟมิลี่ไปเลยจ้า เอาเป็ดใส่ก่อนสิลูกเนี่ยกูจะดักยินน้าว
Oh, keep on going. I want 3 ducks.
Here come the ducks.
That goes there. That goes there.
Here come the ducks. In and out. You're on the ladder now. All right, come on, boys.
Yeah, come on in. You're welcome. Just can't eat in the building.
Let's go to that one.
What? The gas station?
No, don't pull it. Don't pull it.
$8 a gallon. Oh no.
$8 a gallon. What's in it?
This is the grocery store. This is a grocery. It looks like they're all out of here.
This one's just a pet shop.
It's yeah. veterinarian. Oh, the ice cream shop. Ice cream shop.
We work here, right, Jaden?
Tiny Town. Oh, that's the fire alarm.
It doesn't make sound.
Just
This is actually a tiny town. They weren't kidding. Oh, I'm dropping the fire truck. Hey, don't go anywhere. Don't drive one. Down here. This is donkey.
we got horses to ride out here.
I'm going to go.
All right, let's go Slide Hill. All right, you want me to go down with you? All right, you gotta get on my lap.
Daddy, that's a wheelie slide. Did you see that one? That one's a wheelie slide. I already went on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on another one. That was full of sand.
He's gonna do the purple one. Is that a fun one?
But it's really, really fast and tight corners are really fast. It's way too quick. Something happened.
Pig races.
I thought pig races were there. I wanna go see.
This is the pony rides. There's
Look, zebra. Huh?
There's a hairline.
I don't think they're feeding them. Are they feeding them? Crank that way. He's waiting for the bell. He's waiting for the bell. Keep going. Oh. It's like no food.
Let's go to the pumpkin ride.
Bah. The Hayride.
sitting in
Sit with me.
Okay, I gotta take off my backpack.
Pine Snow Mountain for a variety of events at Dell'Osso Farm. We added many new attractions over the years, so enjoy the ride and see what Dell'Osso Farm has in store for you this year. We made changes to offset the water demands of all of our 7 acres of grass throughout the site by making decisions as good stewards of the land to reduce our impact and preserve our wells for the future.
What do you think that is?
The 13 varieties of California crops and fruit trees we planted in 2015 along the train tracks have grown in just a few years, and most have already started fruiting.
It's got rope on it.
You'll have to
Oh,
take
it
a
must be an
ride on the
obstacle
train
course.
to hear more about the way we planted these trees and interesting facts about California's citrus history. You will see party cabanas and fire pits to rent for your very own private area for birthdays or other special events, and so much more. The redwood trees along the side of the silos have grown much taller and will grow about another 10 to 15 feet tall in the next few years. They look very impressive against the silhouette of the 100-year-old silos, but they serve another purpose as well. Together with the olive trees planted along the perimeter and hedgerows, the redwoods will act as a natural windbreak for our event stage in the years to come.
Is that a trailer load of water?
Cherry season will start. Please go to our website at www.dellossofamilyfarm.com.
เอาเดินดีๆ เดินดีๆ เดินดีๆว้ายนั่น
Come on.
อะไร อะไร
You gonna do the spinning pumpkins? Who's in there? Who's in there? How was it, boys?
It is too dizzy.
Too dizzy? Yeah. Is there a hole in the top?
Right?
These giant tires. Oh no, it's filled in.
Yeah. It's easy for me because I'm right here. Oh!
Oh, it's another little town, an old west town. pumpkins.
Look, let's go to the swamp.
Squashed pumpkins. Giant pumpkins.
I don't know how to make cute ones anymore. But I just want white ones. Oh! I want this!
Yeah.
This is the pumpkin painting area. Look, that's what you can do to your pumpkins at home, right? You can use paint. Oh, the kitten, okay. Alright, can you climb up there?
Hey, Daddy, no. I don't want you to go to Daddy, go back down. Go back down.
Where do you want me to go? This way? Oh, it's too slippery. Too slippery.
That's why
Minutes or more, you can have to take it to the classroom. Yes. It's free.
this is the bottom.
Okay, okay, you can have the river.
Oh God.
Go, already?
That's what I'm saying.
Go, Parker.
Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, Zach!
Go, Parker. Keep it up, Ethan. You're doing great.
Where's the light?